Joie. Welcome to my channel. I create highly valuable content. Have you subscribed?
Heaven's gates open up with understanding you order the sea.
Birdbath Dream. To dream of a birdbath represents a mindset that is supportive or encouraging of overcoming negativity all the time. Feeling good, being noticed by others, overcoming negativity or problems all the time. Experiencing a lot of cleansing or a powerful positive change. Experiencing a lot of progress. Alternatively, a birdbath may reflect your preoccupation with helping others feel good, overcoming their problems. By grace of Yeshua Jesus Christ, Joshua, David, Solomon have answers to your dreams. You are always welcome. Subscribe for more. Thank you.